Hi, welcome back to Blue Hills Bolts and Bondo. Today we won't be doing any Bondo at all, but we'll be doing a simple bolt-on. I'm going to put this cash can on the 55. If you want to join me for that, and also if you want to see what kind of hacker I used earlier for a cash can, come take a look. So here we are with my dollar store cash can bottle. I'm 57. I still build like I have a 16-year-old budget. I got my new rat in, took the old one out, and just wanted to cruise. So that was my cash can. And even today, I'm still cheap. There's the pile of bolts I went through just to get the hardware to put the new cash can in. So without further ado, we'll get this one off. Okay, let's see where this will look best. I do have a wire through grommet there. I might use that for the hose for the drain. Yeah, we want a stable fender line, so maybe somewhere in there. Okay, we'll give those 4 holes a punch mark so the drill bit doesn't wander. That almost puts it through anyway. This right here is probably gonna scrub the edge of that nut. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely too close. I screwed that one up. I'll have to step it over. Okay, being that I never thought of this inside piece, I'm going to struggle putting the nuts on. So I think I'll just step it over a little ways. And re-drill. Okay, that should work better. Alright, back into it for a second try. Okay, we'll try with the new hole location. Much better. This one. Dropped it. Go lefty, see if that works better. Well, I think I'm going to make a little more room with the drill. And dropped it again. Go clearance from this side. just enough. Tell you, it sucks when your eyes are going. Wow, drop that again. All right, that went a long way under the cart. All right, we'll get ourselves a wrench and tighten those. All right, well, I think I do have to find a hose that will reach that. But that's probably enough buffoonery for today. So let me know in the comments, what did you guys do just to get by? Would you use something as cheap as a dollar store bottle for a catch can? Well, stick around for more if you guys enjoyed the content. More work to do on the Model T. Just a lot of little things to do on the 55. But if you guys would like, share, and subscribe and come back for more, I'll try and keep making some more videos. Thanks, and you guys have a good day.